Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how to log into your Discord account with a QR code. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's get started right away. And you can do this on both iOS and Android, of course. So what you want to do is go to the Discord login page on your PC, and you want to have your Discord app opened up on your phone. And then click on your profile picture at the bottom right corner, and right here at the top settings it will already say scan QR code, and click on it. This will open up your camera, and all you need to do is scan the QR code, and then this will pop up on your PC, as you can see. And on your phone you just want to click on yes, log me in. And it says you're now logged into your desktop, and click on start talking. And if we go back to my camera real quick to show you guys, I am logged into my account right now. So yeah, that's basically it. If this quick tutorial helps you out, make sure to leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. I'll see you next time. Have a good day.